Let's go to pin list page. Here we need to display all pin like title, description, image, everything so that end user can see the list of pin. Let's specify few HTML tag, div tag with class container and space. Here need to operate for loop. We need here we need to give an ID. Here need to specify few EJX code for loop all the pins so that we can display one by one. If variable I equal 1, I equal 0 and I less than the pins. The pins we will get from server pins.length and space at the end I plus plus. We will loop here we are looping through the all pin list. Then create angular less than. Then here need to specify second bracket for loop completed. Inside this for loop we need to specify few HTML tags to display the pin. Here div tag with container class. No need container. Here need an image. Okay, style margin 20 pixel. It will take 20 pixel from everywhere. And let's specify anchor tag inside this div tag. And this link will be, let's see, what, maybe title href. We need to specify a link path for get request pins details slash the pin ID we need to pass here percentage and space equal we need to specify pins then specify I dot ID underscore ID. The ID value will get from after serializing this pins object. Here inside this link we are specifying an image. So image source path we will get from pin.path. So we need to copy this portion from here and place it here and replace dash ID with path so that we can see the image, and this image should have a width. So style width, so width should be 200 pixels will be good. Let's write an header to see the title. Let's write anchor tag and this will redirect to the details page. Let's copy this href and place inside this anchor tag. Copy this and place it inside header tag, and this should be title. So here you will see the pin title inside header and writing the paragraph. Here we need to display the pin description. So here submitted by the username. So username will be get from pins I dot username. Let's replace this path with username. Let's specify the description. So here we are writing a anchor link class button. This button is for delete, so that end user can delete the pin after clicking this delete button. The delete button is button default, and href we copy from details, and path is pins/delete and id, and text will be delete. Go to pins. Let's refresh this. You can see the pin we already created.